Hi, this is John with WTI, and my families and my friends have hooked me a lot into sparkling water, so I'm tasting all of the different ones I can find. And this one from Waterloo has been a great one for me so far. So one of the things I like this is that is grape scented, so it has no sugar, 0 calories, but you would have this little feeling of this flavor of grape in the bottom that it just tastes great. You can use this. You can drink it at any other moment. If you're trying to replace sugary drinks and you want to start drinking more healthier options, this Waterloo soda or this Waterloo sparkling water is just those great for you. So if you're looking for it to check on new flavors, this one works great. I use it as a normal water these days a lot. I drink it all the time. Even if I'm working or I'm trying just to have a little crave for something sweet, this will do the replacement just right. This was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.